ibang group, ibang company, o ibang tao ang gagawa. Instead of you hiring employees, so empleyado na ibang kumpanya gumagawa ng mga products or ng mga services para sa iyong clients. Okay, G-Leavers, this 2024, create your own version, how to make money. Let's go, let's go. Okay, welcome to Becoming Rich episode. Alright, so paano nga ba tayo mag-create ng sarili mong version? How to have multiple sources of income. Alright, bakit ko sinabing own version? Ito po yung sarili mong paraan kung paano ka kumita. And it can be exactly opposite kung paano nagkakaroon ng pera or income yung ibang tao. Opposite of what your office mate is doing, opposite of what your neighbor is doing. Alright? Kaya po siya own version. Ito po, meron ako mga sample. Tingnan natin mga sample of how they created money using their own version. Alright? So first, Coco Martin. Alright? So tingnan natin ang version ni Coco Martin. Ang version niya po, kaiba sa version ng ibang producer, ng ibang artist. Alright? So, alam ko producer na si Coco Martin, di ba? So, ang ginagawa po ni Sir Coco Martin is, pinagsasama-sama niya lahat ng mga naunang artista. Yung mga panahon natin, nakita natin ngayon, Batang Quiapo, di ba? Nanonood din ako ngayon kasi nakikita ko po sa Genesis, kasi ako po ay nag-Genesis ngayon. So, nakikita ko sa palabas, so daming artista nung araw na gusto pa rin natin namang panoorin ngayon, na present ngayon sa kanyang teleserye. Okay? Unlike yung style or version ng ibang tao or ng ibang producer na yung mga artista, yung mga bago, yung mga bata. Pero si Coco Martin, he created his own version at pumapatok. Tama? Alright? Own version ni Coco Martin. Alright? So second, ito po yung strategy ng crowdfunding to start your business or to buy real estate property, instead of spending your own money. Marami na pong gumagawa niyan. Crowdfunding. May mga group of investors para bumili ng isang resort, para magpagawa ng resort, para bumili ng o magpagawa ng 5 apartment. So, instead of using your own money. Okay? Own version. Alright? And third example, outsourcing. So, ito po yung kukuha ka ng clients, then ibang group, ibang company, o ibang tao ang gagawa. Instead of you hiring employees, so empleyado na ibang kumpanya gumagawa ng mga products or ng mga services para sa iyong clients. Okay? So, it's another version. It's not you who is doing the task. It's other people. Okay? Outsourcing. Marami na pong gumagawa niyan, marami na rin pong yumaman. Other version, own version. Alright? So, next, pero bago yan, so, kape po tayo. Alright, G-Leavers, sa lahat ng mga gustong magpa-coach Kedok on how to have other source of income, paano magkaroon ng multiple sources of income using your own version, PM lang sa personal FB ni Doc. We can do online or face-to-face coaching po. Okay? Next po, Mark Zuckerberg. Alright? Own version. Hindi po siya kagaya ng iba na pag nag-subscribe ka, for example, magsa-subscribe ka sa FB or use the app of FB or kung paano man yung gagawin, wala pong payment, walang subscription, wala. Ang source of income po ni Mark Zuckerberg is the different advertisers, different companies na gusto magpa-advertise sa Facebook. Alright? So, yung iba, ginagawa po nila, you have to pay for the subscription, you have to pay for the app, you have to pay for the services. Pero si Mark Zuckerberg, own version, alam nyo, nung nag-start po siya, marami nagsasuggest sa kanya, you do this, magpa-subscribe and all, pero hindi niya ginawa. Own version ang sinunod niya. Alright? And last, yung mga resellers and distributors. They are selling other people's product instead of spending money to create, to produce their own product. Less gastos. Benta ka lang ng benta, bahala na yung ibang company, ibang tao mag-produce ng product na yon. Alright? Less hassle. Benta lang. Mas madali magbenta kaysa sa mag-produce. Tandaan po natin yan. Alright? Okay? So, kaya sa atin pong lahat, this 2024, napakadali pong kumita ng pera. You can use your own version. Huwag mo nang pakialaman kung natutuwa ibang tao, kung gusto ng ibang tao. Basta mahalaga, kumikita tayo ng pera ng maayos at hindi sa masamang paraan using our own version. Alright? Let's go. Let's go. Kape po tayo. Thank you for watching. We are inviting you to attend our free webinar on how to save and invest the right way and how to avail sa Kaiser. PM na sa personal FB ko po.